Thank you so much, Karthik, for throwing light on that. Keren, over to you. You are in Israel, you're working with companies in life sciences, you're helping startups and companies in this area. Uh, do you also work with investors as far as IP is concerned?
With investors, sure. Yes, also.
What do you
Mainly
do
for
for them?
conducting due diligence analysis, yes. Yes, so
What exactly do you do in a due diligence for an investor?
yes. So investors understand the essence and the importance of IP. When I check due diligence, during due diligence, an IP portfolio of a company, there are a few aspects that we check. First of all, the strength of the IP portfolio itself, what we do is that we conduct in-depth analysis. We try to understand the invention, we read the applications, see how the claims are drafted, making sure that the claims provide enough support to cover the actual product, and that the claims do not allow an easy design around. This is a very important aspect to check. And also, another very even most importantly, is to make sure that the invention can be patented. If the invention, the application already being granted, this is one thing, but also we need to make sure if the invention, the application is still pending, then we have to understand that it can be patented. So we conduct a patentability analysis, and how we do that, we check the file history of the applications in the various jurisdictions in which the application was filed. If the application is just a PCT application, and the international authority that checked the application and conducted an analysis already issued the ISR, the International Search Report, and written opinion, then we check this document and we read the references that were cited against the application, and we try to evaluate and assess what chances are that the application will be allowed eventually, and if indeed, which kind of claims will be allowed. We have to make sure that the claims are broad enough to allow good protection for the product and that are not too narrow. So patentability evaluation, this is one aspect that we check. Obviously, we also go through the entire family of the application, making sure that each application that was filed in the various jurisdictions is indeed pending. It was not abandoned for some reason, maintenance fees were paid. All formalities have to be checked very adequately. So this is another aspect. And also it is very important to investors to see that the application itself belongs to the company, that you assigned rights, the inventors assigned the rights to the company, and the applicant is the company itself. If it's only an inventor, then the applicant can be the inventor and there will be less issues about this. But if this is a company already, a company, a registered company, then we have to make sure that the applicant of the application is the company and the inventors assign the rights to the companies in the USA.
Wonderful.